Hey, I'm Aaron at OneMaybeTwoRetro. Welcome back. Quick public service announcement. I am going to be at VCF East. OneMaybeTwoRetro is a sponsor. And in fact, if you look, I'm very proud of this. I never thought there would be a day that I would be co-sponsoring an event, a supporter, co-supporting an event right beside Commodore. Yes, that's right. If you look here on the VCF East website, you will see OneMaybeTwoRetro right beside the Chicken Lips. I am super, super excited about this. At VCF East, I've been invited to be part of the YouTubers panel there that Sean of Action Retro will be moderating. That's going to be super exciting, but I'll also have an exhibit. So I'm really excited. I've been helping out with the VCFs here in Canada, specifically Montreal, which was the first VCF has ever happened in Canada. It was a huge success, more successful than I think we ever thought it would be. We have VCF Montreal 2.0 coming up in November. Have a look for that online. Certainly there will be links in the video for that. Also, really cool, my first West Coast Vintage Computer Show. I'll be going to VCF Pacific Northwest with a few, a smaller exhibit than normal, but with a few select pieces from my collection that I'm super proud of and enjoy sharing with fellow retro enthusiasts. I'll also have stuff out at Pacific Northwest, and of course, I'll be back at VCF Montreal 2.0 in November. Yeah, so super excited, super stoked. Hope to see you all there. It's going to be a lot of fun, I am sure, just like the rest. Of course, in September, I'll be at VCF Midwest and hoping to be able to exhibit there as well. Let alone, we'll see if I can, if I decide to do a talk there. So yeah, a year full of VCFs, which is really cool. Not to forget, the end of the year, we'll have World of Commodore 2026. I'll look forward to providing some support for that as well. So hopefully I'll be able to catch up with one of you at one of those events. If not, I look forward to meeting one of you at one of those events. We'll talk to you soon. Public service announcement over.